Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest and exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Welcome to another edition of Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now, you diesel folks, you know that Ford's 7.3-liter Power Stroke is the holy grail of diesel engines out there. Everybody wants that kind of power, but Andy, you found that a lot of folks want that power, but the look is kind of aging out. So how have you solved that problem at McNasty Customz?
Okay, so what I did is I designed up a bracket kit that you can bolt onto your 99 to 07 Ford pickup truck, F-250, 350, whatever, or a Ford Excursion. You simply take off the front end of your truck, you do a little bit of trimming, and you install our kit onto the truck, and then you can take the brand new nose from an 11 to 16, or we also have an 08 to 10 kit, whatever nose you prefer, and you can bolt them directly onto your 99 to 07 and make it look like it's a brand new truck. And
no one will have any idea that you're running.
Nobody will have any idea that it's not. You know, professional people who really know the trucks would actually, you know, go picking things apart like the dashboard. But we also have a kit for that. Now you can put the newer dashboard into the truck. So we can actually make this truck and fool people. Everything on a 2016 truck will bolt onto a 99 truck except for this front end and that dash. And we bridged the link. We made the kit for the front end. We make the kit for the dash.
Now, some folks that don't have one of these may not understand why the 7.3 is so popular. Why do people love it so much?
Very simple. A 7.3, you could get 750,000 miles out of the motor with no problem at all. It's pre-emissions. You don't have any emissions. You don't need to worry about tuners or any kind of, you know, maintenance like that. I mean, just change the oil in those trucks and you put 750,000 miles on it. The newer trucks, like the 08 to 10 6.4s and stuff, you can't get 130 miles out of that motor without a piston cracking in it. I mean, who wants to spend that kind of money on a newer truck and have no reliability? The 7.3 is where it's at, but the 16 is where the looks are at.
So you have more power, more efficiency, and better looks all at the same time.
So you have a $10,000 truck you've been driving around for a bunch of years. You can park it in your yard the next day with this nose on it, and your neighbors think you have a $40,000 truck parked in your yard. It's the same truck.
Who are most of the people that are buying these?
We are selling them everywhere. There's multiple TV shows that are bought them, and we don't want to mention names. All kinds of show people. So all the big shows around Texas, Florida, and California are the big sellers. But mostly it's excursion owners. You know, the Excursion's big for the family, and everybody loves them. So they want an updated look when they stop making an Excursion. So now they can have what, you know, Ford never offered.
And you said this is a great thing for fleets or businesses that are looking to upgrade their look and their image, right?
Say I'm a landscaper and I have 3 trucks in my fleet and I'm near in somebody's front yard. And, you know, there's 7.3 trucks and I can put a ton of miles on them, and they're cheap trucks so I can put workers in them and I don't have to worry about it. You take this front end kit and you put it on to 3 trucks, and now you went from having 3 $10,000 trucks, now it looks like you got 3 $50,000 trucks. So instead of having $30,000 fleet, what the neighbor across the street is looking at, he's now looking at you have a $150,000 fleet, and they say, wow, that guy's doing good. And you guys know as well as I do, it's all about image.
All right, so let's run through quickly. The installation is super simple. How's it go?
Very simple. You just remove this kit. This was designed for the homeowner to do in his driveway. If you can't do it, any body shop can do it. You simply follow our videos and instructions that come with the kit. You do a little bit of trimming on the truck. You bolt our bracket kit on. You take the brand new nose that you find locally. You bolt it onto the truck. You've got to adjust it a little bit, but that's pretty much it. Anybody can do it in a weekend, as long as you have a couple of tools and a little bit good with your hands.
You can keep your old truck. You can have the looks of a great new truck. Check them out at McNastyCustomz.com. That's Customs with a Z. And oh, by the way, if you mention Motorhead Garage on their social media, you can win the raffle to get one of these kits for yourself. And by the way, ladies, he is available, so give him a call. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings right after this.